Suppose that we're being asked to find an angle theta between 0 and 360 degrees, which has the same cosine value as 170 degrees. If we kind of think and look at our coordinate system, and we're interested in finding, and here's our unit circle, we're going to start by trying to figure out where is the 170 degrees. 170 degrees is starting at our axis, coming around this way, almost, but not quite, back to the x-axis line. So this here would be something close to 170 degrees. And it's going to intersect at that point right there. If I'm looking for something that has the same cosine value, recall that the cosine correlates with the x-coordinate of the point as you're going around the circle. So here, my x-coordinate is about right here along the line. And so if I want something with the same cosine value, it's going to be looking at its symmetrical reflection down the other direction here. If this is 170 degrees, I guess I didn't write that very well, coming around this way, notice that there is about 10 degrees here above the x-axis. So if I'm looking for the symmetrical point in the third quadrant here, I would need something that's going to be about 10 degrees below the x-axis as well. So my 180 degree line to get into the third quadrant, I need to add 10 more degrees to get below that x-axis, which will give me a final solution here of 190 degrees. So that 190 degree angle should have the same x-coordinate as the 170 degree angle based on its reflection, kind of that butterfly reflection above and below the x-axis. Nice thing about this particular type of problem is you can actually double check it really easily. Find the cosine of 170 degrees on your calculator and the cosine of 190 degrees on your calculator, and you should get the same value. As always, when you're doing sines and cosines, make sure that your mode is in the correct mode. In this case, since we're dealing with degrees, make sure your calculator's in degree mode before you check. And that should get you the answer you need.